Day one of construction bike. I like this diamond plate. Whoever did that, it was on point. Got the lowers in. Got some grills I made up to fit up in there because he had none. Y'all see it. It came out pretty good. Like that. Got the radio in and functioning. Let's see what we got going here. Yeah. Even got the hand controls working. Set there. Hit the volume up. Oh yeah. So yeah, that's a pretty good move. Yeah. We got here these lowers with Lucy. But I got techniques. Hey, I even threw you in a cigarette lighter. You had none. Hey, just one of them little things. We worked it out. So tomorrow we're gonna be running some wire, lining some bags, setting up some things. Yeah. That part right there. Tour pack done. Bags done. Put a little two-tone in there to go with it. Bag lids to come next because you know we got to replace the one that gets damaged. Well, it's not that one. It's this one right here, you know.
At times I felt like a battered husband.
Did I hear that correctly? He feels like a battered husband?
So he's supposed to be bringing me some more. But for the meantime, it is functioning. So close that.
Thank you for making my life special.
Close that. Let's see what we got here.
Peace and
Last of the 7 inches.
love. Rubber.
Okay.
So sexy, girl. Baby, my body understands. Baby, my body understands. The way your body moves, it's really turning me, and I'm turning you. You got looks that can kill. If I wanna say, you ain't gonna lie. You are on, baby. Looks that can kill. Your body, you and I, get together like a
Just the way they like it. Loud and clear. What? We got OJ on TV? White Bronco. Go OJ, go OJ. Okay. We can do no more on this one until I get the correct bag lid so we can get the correct seal. Then we can get the bass right. The vocal game is good. One bad part about the whole scenario happens with older bikes. I see it happen quite often. When you put the fuel line back on, I'm gonna put the phone down for a second. They don't seal right. Sometimes you can put some grease in there and make it fit and make it lock back in, but a lot of times the petcock is going bad already. This is a 2000. That's a 6 or something like that with a swing arm. No, it's like a between a 13 and 14 bike, but 13 and 12 bike. I mean 9 and 12 bike, but still, if you pull the tank off too many times, the O-ring goes bad, and they don't sell the O-ring for this. So hence, when you fire this junker up, it's gonna pump gas right out the thing. That's the bad part. Oh, gotta call him and tell him. All right. Live and direct at Money's Car Stereo. You know, as y'all see, he came over. Hey, man, he got a hell of a painter, man, because he already done changed that lid, you know. And so we on the color thing. Did you lock this bag? Okay, well, it's locked or it's open?
It's locked.
Oh, it's locked. Okay, well, how you like these type of these latches? Yeah, because they don't lock right. But anyway, we were talking about different music selections, man. Now that you got a taste of what's going on over here, What you thinking, man?
I like it. I like it real nice. I like it even better when I get that other system. But yeah, I like it real
Like I
nice.
said, we gotta do some, research on that. Like I said, we're gonna keep you in the loop on that.
Yeah.
And, oh yeah, man, what size shirt you wear, man?
I'm a large. I take a large.
Okay, a large. Your phone ringing. See, that's that. So you answer is gonna be talking through here.
Hey sis, what's up?
Back to what I was saying. We got the new deck in there. Upgrade him. Now he can talk to himself when he don't need to talk to it.
Oh yeah.
Man, this is for you. From Wayne's Car Stereo, man. Letting you see what I see.
Man, that's what it is.
Another one out the door, y'all. Another one out the door.
Right
That's
there,
right.
you know?
So we're gonna run with a little bit of old school. The X's went out, a little bit of Dougie.
It's about that time to get paid.
Of course, all down to sound selection when you show up to show out. Tip, he said he coming in your area, baby. He said he coming in your area.
Tip already know.
That's all he got to say, man.
Tip already
It's
had this conversation.
it's song selection. Don't come with a tour pack on, so you can give it to him full, all the way out at it.
Exactly.
Wayne's Car Stereo. We on to the next one. Diamond, you up next, young lady. We pushed it and pushed. Now we pushing for you.
Oh, that's Diamond. Huh?
This Diamond bike, yeah. She said it ain't playing. At the minimum, we gotta rewire the bike because she got some craziness going
I told her
on.
I was coming out here too.
She got. Then on the other side,
That's my.
I ain't commenting on other people who built stuff, but we gonna
hook it up the right
we're
way.
gonna hook it up. We're gonna try and resurrect it what she got,
That's what's
because
up.
I don't know if she balling on a budget or whatever,
Yeah.
but we're gonna try and get it back on and see what's going on.
That's what's up.
Wayne's Car Stereo, letting you see what I see. We out of here.